When your remote monitoring system goes offline, you don't just lose signal, you lose visibility and critical customer data. That means no flow rates or pH readings, and no way to catch issues before they become problems. Flight by Aquaphoenix is a fully managed cellular modem service built for critical data transmission in the field. Each modem comes pre-configured with a private encrypted VPN, securing your data end-to-end with no IT setup required. Once installed, Flight begins transmitting field data instantly from sensors to cloud to dashboard. And because it's fully managed, we monitor uptime, troubleshoot outages, and push firmware updates before you even notice an issue. If there's a problem, we call you. No dead zones, no overages, no guesswork, just reliable data across one site or hundreds. From treatment system to chemical delivery, Flight keeps your operation connected, securely, continuously, and intelligently. Flight from Aquaphoenix. Real-time insight, total peace of mind.